Hi, this is Kiara from Pencil, and welcome to today's tutorial on how to use other video conferencing tools in Pencil Spaces. So Pencil Spaces is a collaborative whiteboard tool with video call built in. You can use Pencil Spaces for both the whiteboard and video call experience, or the whiteboard on its own. In general, because Pencil Spaces does offer both experiences, you don't need to use Zoom, Google Meets, or Microsoft Teams in Pencil Spaces in order to facilitate online classes. If you do prefer to use another video calling software, you can use it along with our whiteboard. So currently I'm on a call, but if you prefer to use another video calling software, you don't need to be on a call, so I'm just going to leave this call. But I can still stay on the whiteboard. When you join a space in Pencil, you have the option to start or join the call right away by clicking the green call button found at the top right-hand corner. However, if you prefer to use a different platform for your video call, you can just skip this step. You can use Pencil Spaces as an individual whiteboard to enhance your online classes where you screen share your work on the whiteboard, or you can invite others to the whiteboard and collaborate together while chatting on other platforms such as Zoom, Google Meet, or Microsoft Teams. You can invite people to your space by clicking the blue invite button found on the top right-hand side. My space is currently private, so I can either individually invite participants by name, or I can change my space to public, save the changes, copy the link, and now anyone I send the link to will be able to join me in this space. You can send this link directly to your participants or via email. Your participants will be able to join you as soon as they create a free account or log into an existing one. So that's it for today's video on how to use other conferencing applications in Pencil Spaces. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to leave our support team a message or leave a comment below. And thank you for watching today's tutorial.